Uy, Kenneth, anong ginagawa ni Sarah dun?
Ay! Bossing! Alam nyo guys, feeling ko kasi talaga para akong Tiger Woods every time na may mga dumadating na Sunday Red dito eh. Talking about Sunday Red guys, meron tayong bagong dating na Sunday Red Osprey dito. Sobrang solid, sobrang clean look lang niya guys. Hindi lang pang golf course, pwedeng pang opisina, pwede rin panlabas guys. So yan, spikeless version nila. And hindi lang yan guys ang dumating dito sa store dahil sobrang daming merch pa ang dumating dito. So yan, dito sila lahat. Sobrang solid guys. Sa lahat na nagtatanong kung meron ba tayong merch, meron tayo yan guys. So some of them are on hand. Some of them are also pre-ordered by our clients. Meron tayong mga limited edition kung makikita nyo. Meron tayong t-shirt ng Augusta Collection. The Masters, merong white and navy. Meron din tayo guys. Ito, familiar ba kayo dito? Ito lang naman guys. Yung polo or design na sinuot ni Tiger Woods nung nagkaroon siya ng car crash. Pero ang suot niya doon guys is color blue, which is papakita namin dito. So guys, may additional pa pala. Meron tayong Pioneer Cypress naman. Ang kita mo with the match the intensity greeting card. With the dust bag, extra insole. And ito na siya guys. Grabe yung pagka-triple black na ito. Sobrang solid. Triple black with the silver Sunday Red logo and the heel tab. Sunday Red logo sa may tang. Sobrang solid nito. So for all your Sunday Red orders, don't forget to hit us up. Kita kits.